like for men, women, if you train it singly, just watch how I teach it so you understand how to train. You've got to make sure this is blocked. So this way, that will be low the body down. Same with a kid, I'm teaching the same, okay? If you hold it up like that, if you do it this way, when you hit it like this, or anything come along, you will go backward. So this is important for understanding that. Open. So this is where all the way out like this to open your chest. This way you can do all the blocking later when you do that as you go through you understand. Now let's do 10 of that now. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Now let's go into the shoulder. This one is quite important to make sure that you're training your shoulder to be strong. Because if you do a lot of cover, you will get tired. So forward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Other side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now let's go back here. Just follow along while I'm teaching so you can understand it. Anytime you can watch my video when I do them slowly, or you can watch how I teaching my ear so you can get an idea and work together. Okay, now shoulder going back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Forward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Remember, when you do it your own practice, this is what we do to show you here the idea. When you train, you do 30 seconds on each of the movement, 1 minute of them, of this exercise. Okay, so when you work, try to work on your own pace. Okay, so you can know how to do them. Now, next exercise onto the fitness. Hold stand. Now, move forward a bit. Hold stand is very important when you're out. Hands out like this, okay? Hand here, leg like this. This is exercise. We try to stay here for a minute long. You try to stay long as you can. This is important. Back straight, body in a good position like this, okay? I just count to 10 for now. When you're coming out like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now coming back. The next exercise here, I will go through to show you is the forward warrior stand. So forward warrior stand, step forward. Again, like this is you use it to pushing later. Hold stand is make your legs strong, low foundation. Okay? So this is important to get you to understand all that. Remember when you do the knee have to be straight. Go up to here. Okay, straight like this. This is the way to keep your opponent out of the way, distant from it. Okay? Pushing is very important when you do this to make sure your legs strong. You can got strength to push because you're in a close range. It's very difficult for you to create power. You will stay there for about 30 seconds to a minute long to make sure you feel strong first. Okay? So I got to 10 for now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now come back and go to the other side. The same thing again, the same principle. Like this. Make sure you nice, back straight. When you do them, you're aware when you do it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now coming back. When you've done this, try to make sure when you practice this movement as much as you need to do on your own pace. On this training here, you've got to make sure the positioning of each part of the body is very important because you're going to use them in a self-defense. Next, it's going to be the press up. We're going to go through the basic half press up first so you can see the idea first. So, down, all the way down, back straight and up like this, okay? So we just do 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now, when you're doing this, you think it's so easy, then do 16, a full press up like this. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Okay? Let's come back. So this is the basic fitness you do them. Try to do them minute as much as you can. If you type stop and then continue, or 30 seconds on each one of this, okay? And then you can create a flow movement from one another. Now let's move into the self-defense. Self-defense, we do the first cover. First cover first. This is very important. Again, head down like this. So hand here. This is protecting the punch. When we're using self-defense into the combat side, into self-defense punching side, cover side, this is requiring stomach tuck in, head down like this, okay? That way, it builds two things. Put your hand out, get your hand out, drop your chin down. This is helping you already learn something, drop your throat, you already preparation, everything early, already, all this habit. And when you engage, head down like this, when the punch is not directed at your face, and hand cover your face, is fully covered, and if you turn this way, you will see come toward me, attack. They are coming towards straight away with the go forward like this. Okay? So this is basic movement of this first setup is very important to preparation ready. Now from here palm. So palm is come out from your waist, from your here, come back into your chest here. From here, this will come up directly this way. Now this way come to using to understand two. One of them is going this way, like directly on the jaw here. One of them, it goes directly on somebody's nose. As you closing up, so like here, if I'm getting close here, and then bump me, boom, boom, and then put your hand down here, this is where you're going to be, in a very close range in here. This is where you generate power, boom, here, okay, directly here, or directly on the face. Very important when you practice this and you know where you are, okay? So now, again, so ready to practice 10 together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Waist is the key. So when you're coming in, using your waist back then, straight out for the waist, okay? This is very important to understand that. When you practice, minute long on each of this exercise here. Next exercise we're going to do is the elbow. Cover the principle the same, like this, okay? In this position, get used to it. Now turn and turn your body in this line like this. Have to be in line here because you want to use the whole body. Turn elbow, turn this way, and then you come back and you go this way. Okay? When you do that, head look a little bit forward here to know where the elbow is, so you're in line with you. Okay? So let's do 10 together. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. The idea of this is when you come on this side, for instance, if you touch your hand, touch, for instance, drop your hand down, this is where it happens. See? So when it's here, if I'm touching the hand and drop, as that here, elbow coming in. See? This is where it's so important to make sure the whole body has to turn. If you don't turn your body, okay, it's no power. Whole body turn, this is where the power is from here. This is very important, okay? As that turn, this side will do the same way as turn and the arm in this position. Because you're going to using this to go back to number 1, to cover straight away. Use that to elbow, and boom, cover number 1, see? So every time that will be elbow, and then cover, that will cover straight away. This is why it's designed for you to learn on this. Okay, back again. Number, onto the third elbow, yes. Drop elbow. Okay, hands up again, cover number 1, the basic movement. The elbow have to lay down in this angle, okay, like this. And then elbow down, and back, and elbow down, and back. Okay, so now when we work with this, let's do it together. Let's do 10 first. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You will see that when the elbow again, all the way down like this. Okay, look, all the way down like this. If you don't do this angle, very difficult to break off the when it's a grapple view, and very difficult for you to try to attack in a close range. Okay, so this is very important. Now, each of this exercise 1 minute long when you practice. So the purpose of this is if someone grab here. See, if you look at this, the way the arm pointed down after arm coming down for the elbow, now it's break. You see? So as that coming in here, you put on the face, cover, grab, somebody grab, that will break. You see the angle of it? it goes straight the same way as the body. So this movement here, as I go boom, that already create the structure. And when you go into do the movement, it's important that body go together, not just that, not just the elbow. If you get to the elbow, push it down, you can't do it. Okay, the structure is wrong. So this is where the whole body turn with the exercise. This is how you create power. If the hand is out as we are practicing, if certainly somebody grab, the principle is no different with that. So elbow drop and turn. See, you create the structure already. As this movement here, you go with this would create power. On for exercise here. This exercise will create a strength for your shoulder to be able to have movement to go down on break off the defense. Okay, so this is very important. So this is why when you practice, try to practice as much as you can. Now, the most important thing is try to 1 minute
Thank you,
of
Mr.
exercise. If you beginner to do 1 set, if you are good to do 3 sets.
You're a good girl, Alexis.
1 minute.